I thought my actions being around you and asking you to be my girlfriend would prove that I love you. Because that's just all I knew. So let's just say that relationship didn't last very long, and I take 100% of the blame on that. I didn't know how. It was impossible for me to make that work. I went through a couple of girlfriends before I was able to learn how to be affectionate and how to meet English worldly women's needs. Because I had no idea. When you're not taught something, you don't know it. So I had a long road ahead of me. Thank God for my wife I currently have. She was willing to be patient, stuck by my side until I learned everything I needed to learn.